Top 10 Arts and Science College in Tamil Nadu based on 2024 ranking. Loyola College is a private Catholic higher education institution run by the Society of Jesus in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. It was founded in 1925 by the French Jesuit priest, Francis Bertram, along with other European Jesuits. It is an autonomous Jesuit college affiliated with the University of Madras. Loyola Commerce Association celebrated its 75th year in 2019. Loyola College has more than 10,000 students studying as of 2023. Loyola College offers more than 20 UG, PG, and PhD courses in the fields of science, computers and IT, management, arts and humanities, accounting and commerce, etc. The courses are offered in two shifts, i.e., Shift 1, aided, and Shift 2, self-sponsored. The popular courses at Loyola College are BSc and MSc. The college offers BSc specialization in visual communication, computer science, statistics, multimedia and animation, physics, mathematics, chemistry, and others. The curriculum of this program is aligned with the latest industry trends, equipping students with practical and industrial knowledge. Below are some of the programs offered by Loyola College. Presidency College is an art, commerce, and science college in the city of Chennai in Tamil Nadu, India. On the 16th of October 1840, the school was established as the Madras Preparatory School before being repurposed as a high school, and then a graduate college. The Presidency College is one of the oldest government arts colleges in India. It is one of two Presidency colleges established by the British in India, the other being the Presidency College, Kolkata. In the National Institutional Ranking Framework, NIRF, for the year 2023, Presidency College has been ranked third again. Presidency College is ranked third as per National Institutional Ranking Framework for colleges in the year 2022. Madras Christian College, MCC, is a liberal arts and sciences college in Chennai, India. Founded in 1837, MCC is one of Asia's oldest extant colleges. The college is affiliated to the University of Madras but functions as an autonomous institution from its main campus in Tambaram, Chennai. It was established originally as a school for boys in the place where Anderson Church is located. 1. From its origins as a missionary endeavour of the Church of Scotland, MCC's alumni and professors include several civil servants, administrators, educators, business people and political leaders. 2. It was ranked 14th among colleges in India by the National Institutional Ranking Framework, NIRF, in 2024. Guru Nanak College is a higher educational institution in Budhada, Punjab, India, which is affiliated to the Punjabi University. It was established in 1971 to tribute the 500th birth anniversary of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. College got 95% grant from Punjab government. College was established under the UGC Act 2F and 12B. The college took a phenomenal pace since 2008 with a radical growth in a number of courses, faculty, infrastructure and other learning resources. Now the college has become prominent organization of the Mansar district having 2 UG and 16 PG courses, excluding UGC add-on courses. The college has the strength of 164 faculty members and 6,500 students. Ethirj College for Women is an arts and science college for women in Chennai, India, managed by the Ethirj College Trust. It was founded in 1948 by the barrister V. L. Ethirj of Vellore. The college is ranked 79th among colleges in India by the National Institutional Ranking Framework, NIRF, in 2024. Ethirj College for Women, Ethirj, established in 1948, is a private institute and is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It is also known as Ethirj Chennai and offers courses to the students at UG, PG, Advanced Masters and Doctorate level. 2 August 2023. MOP, Vaishnav College for Women, Autonomous, is an arts and science college located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu in southern India. 1. It is affiliated with the University of Madras. 2. The current principal is Dr. Archana Prasad. According to the survey on the best commerce colleges all over India by the week in association with Hansa Research, MOP Vaishnav College is in the 36th position. 3. The college is re-accredited by NAAC with a 3.56 GPA on a 4-point scale and an A++ grade. 4. It's located at Nungambakkam. The colleges offers over 17 undergraduate and 7 postgraduate courses. 7. It also offers a PhD program in commerce. 8. The courses offered are as follows. The Quaid A. Millet Government College for Women is an educational institution in Chennai, Madras, Tamil Nadu. In 1974-75 it replaced the Government Arts College for Men, which was shifted to Nandanam. The Mount Road Arts College was the legacy of the Muslim rulers of Walaja. The Madras Mohammedan College and the Madrasa-e-Azam School for Boys function from this location. After independence, Mohammedan College was renamed as Government Arts College for Men, 1948. The premises are now divided between the Madrasa-e-Azam School and the Quaid-e-Millet Government College for Women. Loganatha Narayanasamy Government College is the first to be started by the Government of Tamil Nadu in the Chengalpattu MGR district, now called Tiruvallur district. The college is located at Ponneri on the Tiruvottiur, Ponneri High Road with 65 acres, 260,000 square meters of land area. The college offers courses at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. B.A. Tamil. B.A. Branch I Historical Studies. B.A. Branch I Political Science. B.A. Branch 12 English. B. Com General. B. Sc. Branch I Mathematics. B. Sc. Branch 2 Physics. B. Sc. Branch IV Chemistry. B. Sc. Branch VA Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology. B. Sc. Branch 12 Computer Science. MA. Branch I Historical Studies. MA. Branch 2 Political Science. MSc. Branch Computer Science. Loganatha Narayanasamy Government College is the first to be started by the Government of Tamil Nadu in the Chengalpattu MGR district, now called Tiruvallur district. The college is located at Ponneri on the Tiruvottiur, Ponneri High Road with 65 acres, 260,000 square meters of land area. The college offers courses at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. B.A. Tamil. B.A. Branch I Historical Studies. B.A. Branch I Political Science. B.A. Branch 12 English. B. Com General. B. Sc. Branch I Mathematics. B. Sc. Branch 2 Physics. B. Sc. Branch IV Chemistry. B. Sc. Branch VA Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology. B. Sc. Branch 12 Computer Science. MA. Branch I Historical Studies. MA. Branch 2 Political Science. MSc. Branch Computer Science. Ramakrishna Mission Vivekanand College, named after Swami Vivekanand, was formally inaugurated on the 21st of June 1946, by Professor, philosopher, and politician, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It is in Mylapore, the center of Chennai, India, on 20 acres, 81,000 square meters. This college is part of various educational institutions owned by Ramakrishna Mission. The college runs 11 graduate and 7 postgraduate programs in the Shift I and 9 undergraduate and 2 postgraduate programs in the Shift II. Undergraduate degrees include B.Com, B.A., B.Sc, B.B.A., B.C. degrees in Shift II. Postgraduate degrees award MA and MSc, and in addition MSW in Shift II. There are research departments conducting PhD. In 2024, a new PG course on M.Com Accounting and Finance and a new UG course BSc Big Data Analytics was started in. The institution is a unit of the Hindustan Group of Institutions, affiliated with the University of Madras, a 160-year-old university in South India, and has been accorded minority status by the National Commission for Minority Educational Institutions, Government of India. The institute offers 17 undergraduate, 7 postgraduate, 3 MPhil and 2 PhD programs in varied fields such as science, commerce, humanities, management, information technology, etc. It has a cosmopolitan atmosphere with students from China, Nepal, Bhutan, Tanzania, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Oman and other states in India, who are selected by the University of Madras to conduct regular NSS programs. It provides multiple state-of-the-art facilities to students such as a hostel, library, sports, transport, eco-friendly herbal and organic garden, ERP, healthcare center, etc. It is a multicultural college. Below mentioned are the important highlights regarding Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Chennai.